If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. More nature moments are coming soon. In the soft light of early morning, nature begins its gentle routine. The air is cool, the grass still wet with dew, and the earth feels calm and alive. From nearby shelters, hens step out slowly, their feet touching the soil as they begin to search for food. With each gentle scratch of the ground, the earth opens slightly, revealing seeds, grains, and tiny insects hidden beneath the surface. Above them, sparrows watch closely, small, quick, and full of life. They flutter down from branches and rooftops, landing lightly beside the hens. There is no fear here, only awareness. The sparrows hop carefully, picking tiny grains, while the hens continue their steady work, unbothered and peaceful. This simple moment shows nature's quiet harmony. Different birds, different sizes, different movements, yet one shared space. The hens prepare the ground, and the sparrows benefit from it. In return, the sparrows help by eating insects that move through the soil. No competition, no conflict, just balance. The sounds around them are soft and natural. Gentle pecking, light wing flutters, distant bird calls, and the whisper of wind through leaves. It is a reminder that peace does not need noise. It exists naturally when life moves at its own rhythm. As sunlight grows warmer, green plants shimmer under its touch. The earth continues to provide, just enough for everyone. The sparrows fly a short distance and return again, trusting the calm presence of the hens. This trust is built not in words, but in understanding. In this shared meal, nature teaches an important lesson. Strength does not dominate, and survival does not require struggle. Harmony grows when every creature takes only what it needs. Slowly, the moment passes. The sparrows rise back into the air. The hens move on across the field, and the land rests again. Yet the message remains. Nature shows us that peaceful coexistence is possible when we respect the earth and each other.